Crazy Steam reviews. Sons of the Forest. Can't wait for Grandsons of the Forest. I was starving. Luckily, Virginia brought me a fish. As soon as she dropped it on the ground, a bird stole my fish and flew away. 10 out of 10. The female character in the game is running away from me. Realism 10 out of 10. Naked lady belly flopped onto my friend while a man with a Yamaha boat motor beat me to death. 10 out of 10. I love naked men chasing me through the woods. 10 out of 10. Highly recommended.